Project Social Impact is a gathering of the minds.
Project Social Impact is a safe space for people to be inspired.
A 2-week period devoted to acquiring knowledge, sharing it, learning new perspectives.
It's a space to get together and think together of ways to change the world and to make things better for everyone.
A lot of people coming together with different backgrounds, and we are learning how to approach different social issues from an arts perspective.
PSI is a gathering of people interested in using the arts for social change.
Is a 2-week retreat for a small group of dedicated individuals to come together and collaborate on social change.
It's especially interesting to be here because it involves the kind of ramping up of possibilities that you get when you have people working together, inspiring each other.
Pour moi, Project Social Impact, ce sont 2 semaines de séminaire avec d'autres personnes qui partagent les mêmes intérêts, qui viennent de cultures différentes.
Project Social Impact, para mim, é uma rede de amigos e de empoderamento.
Project Social Impact es una plataforma que permite combinar el trabajo del talento creativo y el compromiso social para construir entre todos un mundo mejor para todos.